Greetings, everybody. Okay, y'all want to hear a little story? Once upon a time, there was an old biker dude who decided to set off on an amazing motorcycle travel adventure featuring camping, cooking, and fishing. I'm an old biker dude, man. Greetings, everybody. Hey, everybody. Okay, so I'm the last person on earth to start a YouTube channel, but I started one. Old biker dude. That's me, aka Emmett. And you're all invited to come on along with me on my many escapades of off-grid motorcycle adventure and travel. We'll do some camping, some cooking. You can even be there when I finally capture that elusive Troutosaurus Rex that I've been looking for 64 years. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys. Hit the subscribe button, like my videos, ring that notification bell so you can find out about upcoming stuff. So come on, go with me. Stare into my eyes. Concentrate on this swinging watch chain. You're getting sleepy. You know, when I first came up with the idea to do a YouTube channel, I had no idea what all was involved in it. Wow, there's nothing like a fresh cup of percolated coffee at the campsite with my percolator. I know. Tap the like button. Well, it appears I made a big goof up yesterday. I'm an old biker dude, man. Ring the notification bell so you can be advised of my upcoming wildly successful and entertaining videos. Wearing my GoPro backwards on my head. Welcome, boys and girls. Once upon a time, there was an old biker dude who decided to set off on an amazing motorcycle travel adventure featuring camping, cooking, and fishing. So, after telling his wife he was heading to the store for a loaf of bread, see the brown spot on that tree? Uh-oh. Zip that up and put that in my trailer and let it cook while I'm going down the road. One thing about this getting old stuff, every time I see a sign that says rest area, I have to go to the bathroom. Preparing some trout for dinner. I can taste those trout now. Oh yeah, nice and steamy hot. I think that'll get him. Wow, so I got here to Appalachian Pond Campground. What a cool little place, man. Figured I'd come through Helen, Georgia. Oh, pretty cool little campsite here. Got the evening sun from my solar. Got shade from my tent. Of course, we'll throw a little sesame oil in here. Oh man, this is smelling good. That is some good chow right there. Wow. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Man, look at that. Spatula this morning. There we go. Chapter 2. Well, as you can see, I'm all packed up and ready to go. In light of recent events, I think it was the 24th in the afternoon, by July 27th, according to the numbers here on the computer, we had 108,440 subscribers. We got picked up by a young man that saw some of my content and decided to put me out there on a really popular form of social media, and next thing you know, bang. It's been a lot of fun. I've had a great time with it, and you know, it's just a real cool thing to happen to somebody, especially a little old retired guy like me that just likes to go trout fishing and ride his motorcycle. Y'all go check him out on his channel. My goodness, would you look at that? All right, here we go. Oh, that smoke looks good, don't it? Yeah. Put that remote control down, brother. You might want to see this. Haven't passed a single car since we've been in South Carolina. Here comes the first two right here. And back to some curvy roads again. See if we can get one more clip of these beautiful curves. My battery's getting down low, so I may have to stop here soon. But this is just so pretty here. I hope that sun glare is not too bad. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, we gotta love that one. I mean, a toolbox. I know a lot of people just carry a tool kit to try to keep space down, but one place I'm not willing to compromise is on tools. And we'll set a little Worcestershire sauce in there, and a little on my steak. Hi everybody. I started to climb into the mountains a little bit. It got a little chilly. The sun's shining and it looks real nice, but the wind's got a little bit of bite to it. folks, old biker dude here. Check this out. Well, it is 5:16 in the morning on New Year's Day, New Year's Eve. There's my day right there, 625.74. Hey everybody, this video is going to be a product review on the Li-Time 12 volt 100 amp mini battery. I did take the liberty of doing a little bit of research to familiarize myself with the product a little bit. Hi folks, welcome to another Old Biker Dude Show product review. Hi everybody, welcome to another home edition version of the Old Biker Dude Show. Okay, it's just about the end for the soup here, and again, that's going to be at 425 degrees. I always love seeing the nice bright color of the vegetables when they first start to stir fry. Not a whole lot of steam escaping because, as you can see, it's simmering so slow that it is just barely simmering. The very most important part, which is flipping the egg. It's a very simple process. And the batter has a nice blueberry color incorporated into it. I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken back in. And I believe it's going to be just about like we usually like it. And I have a lot of cheese on it, like that right there. We got the vegetables are incorporated in there, but the roux came out just perfect with shrimp and sausage and scallops. But there we go. There's your finished product right there. Is that not the prettiest sight you've ever seen? The little bubbles in the top of a percolator making that little sound right to the beat, man. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Talk to me, baby. I appreciate y'all because I'm on a shoestring budget. Truth be told, I had a lot of expenses when I had my heart situation, and that pretty much ran me down to where if I wouldn't be able to afford to be out here as much as I am if it wasn't for those people, and I really do appreciate that.